One of the questions I get asked a lot is, will this lawsuit interfere with my life? To which I want to give an honest answer. No, but it doesn't mean you won't be involved with it. Let me explain. First, from a cost perspective, all of this work that we do on what's called a contingent fee, which means we'll invest our money into it. We won't ask you for any money up front or now, tomorrow, next week. We will sign a contract with you that puts very clearly in writing so that you can read it and understand it, that we do not make money unless we make you money. And when and if we get money on your behalf, we will take a share out for our payments, for our fees. We'll also take out the money that reimburses the expenses that were called for to do the work necessary for your case. Sometimes we have to hire experts. Sometimes we have to run ads in papers, and sometimes we have to make trips to go find witnesses. All of those types of things that we do, we keep a very strict ledger so that you can see every dime, every penny. We're accountable with your money because it ultimately is our money as well. If we're not able to win, if we're not able to get you a recovery, then those are expenses we lose. We never come to you and ask for a dime. It's just not the way to do business. So we don't interfere with your life in that way. Now, what we do require is your cooperation. We want you to be informed. We want you to know about the case. But more importantly, we need access to your information. We need to know where you've worked. We need to know what you've done. We need to know the people you've worked with. We need to find where your exposure is to asbestos. There will come a time where you'll probably have to give what we call a deposition. Now, depositions are legal processes where you have to sit and answer questions from opposing lawyers. Under oath, you'll swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God. And then with a court reporter present who types every word, lawyers get to ask you questions. You do not go into that alone. You do not go into that unprepared. You will have to spend the time with us, with our very best lawyers that are trained to do specifically this. You will spend time getting ready for your deposition so you know everything to expect and you're 100% prepared. It doesn't make it a fun experience, but it is something that may take a couple of days. So that's really the involvement you've got in your lawsuit until we go to trial. Now, 99% of cases don't go to trial, but for the actually 10% that do, we get you ready, and it's an experience I guarantee you will enjoy.